In this video, we'll cover two new methods of controlling the control structure of T-splines in Alias Speedform Technology. Part of the mesh modeling approach is crafting the shape, but also controlling the structure so that it is well behaved. Refining an edge can be tedious, but using the Edit with Line tool allows you to really control the edge dynamically. I'll select the first edge, and then the second edge. A spline curve is created, which I'll change to 2 degrees. Editing the spline is exciting. Watch as I adjust this curve how the surface edge is pulled with a simple spline curve. The surface edge is continually smooth and adjusting to conform to that spline curve. I started using this tool nearing the end of development of this PE release, and it is one tool that I will use in almost every shape I create. Well done, Speedform team. In previous releases, you might have seen the Pull tool. If you've watched any of my videos online, you will have seen this tool. With this release, the Pull tool has two new offerings, a 2D curve and a 1D curve. I'll show you the operation of the 2D curve. I'm going to create the sketch using this spline curve. The CB curve could have worked as well, but this curve has to be planar. I'll form the shape of the curve. Now I'll take a moment to make sure that the curve is flat against the plane. If it is not planar, recreate the sketch. Then activate the Pull tool. I like controlling the selection of this curve, so I'll select this curve manually. We're in Surface Points mode because we are in the Smooth Display mode. And now I'll pick each of the surface points across the edge. The edge is now moved in this view to the curve. By moving the view around, we can see that it did not affect the Y direction. This is perfectly suited for controlling feature lines of your shape. I hope you're as excited as I am about this release. Let's review what we saw. New performance with simplified T-splines, a primitive that makes creating the bones of the car very quick, controlling the surface shape using a 3D spline curve, and pulling the surface in only 2D space. So go get speedforming.